Hey, this is Patrick Durkin from the Wellness Enterprise. I've got a quick story for you about Nano Soma. We've been using Nano Soma for about 6 or 7 months now, and we're getting reports from different people, and I like to share things that I feel are really concrete. And something just happened to me the other day that's really concrete, and so here I am. So the story starts about 5 years ago when I got stung by a wasp, and I got stung on the back of my neck, and from my belt line up, my entire torso began to swell up. And I was driving to the hospital. I ended up stopping at a vitamin shop while talking to my naturopathic doctor and buying a couple of things. And then I decided to go back home instead of straight to the hospital. When I got home, I tried the different homeopathics, and I tried some baking soda paste, and then I ended up covering my body with honey. And when I covered my body with honey, that's when the swelling stopped. And fortunately, I was all right. So I picked up an EpiPen, and I've been carrying it around, and I've been worried about getting stung again. And a few days ago, I got stung on the back of my shoulder, and I sprayed Nano Soma on it right away, and it stopped hurting immediately. And there were no symptoms from it. I really didn't have any pain like 5 seconds after the Nano Soma went on, and I didn't have any additional swelling or anything that happened. So since I've been using the Nano Soma, I felt like there's a real radiance or glow to my life, and that's kind of hard to describe. But a wasp sting that almost hospitalized me to one that I barely felt, that's pretty different. So that's an experience that I had, and we at the Wellness Enterprise continue to recommend Nano Soma. We think it's a really important nutrient, and we recommend that you check it out.